Unlocking your full potential begins with self-belief. Believe in your abilities and recognize the immense potential within you to achieve greatness. Embrace continuous growth and learning. Commit to expanding your knowledge, developing new skills, and pushing yourself outside of your comfort zone. Set ambitious goals that align with your passions and values. Dream big and strive for excellence in every aspect of your life. Surround yourself with positive influences and supportive individuals who inspire and challenge you to reach your full potential. Practice self-discipline and consistency in pursuing your goals. Stay focused, motivated, and committed to the journey of personal growth. Embrace failure as a stepping stone to success. Learn from setbacks, adapt your approach, and persevere with resilience and determination. Cultivate a growth mindset, believing that your abilities can be developed through effort, practice, and a positive attitude. Tap into your unique strengths and talents. Identify your passions and leverage them to unlock your true potential and make a meaningful impact. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Prioritize self-care, maintain a healthy lifestyle, and nurture a positive mindset to fuel your growth. Embrace opportunities for self-reflection and introspection. Regularly assess your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make necessary adjustments. Seek out mentors and role models who have achieved what you aspire to. Learn from their experiences, gain insights, and leverage their wisdom to accelerate your own growth. Be courageous and embrace change. Embrace new challenges, step outside of your comfort zone, and embrace the unknown. Your full potential lies just beyond your comfort zone.